Okay, it's not your dog.
And I'm not returning her to an abusive owner.
No.
Stop.
No, if you're taking her, you're taking me.
Sir.
Oh, stop.
She's not going to jail.
Stop.
No.
She ain't. Stop. No.
Please,
Let her
After watching these altercations, let us know in the comments how you would have handled these situations differently. In a quiet suburban neighborhood, tensions ran high one evening over a seemingly simple matter, a dog. It began with a plea to see the dog, innocently enough, but quickly escalated into a dramatic showdown. A concerned individual, presumably a neighbor, requested to see the dog. But things took an unexpected turn when the conversation shifted towards relocating the dog to the ocean. The dog's fate hung in the balance, with one party adamant about taking the dog away, while another fiercely opposed it. A dispute erupted over the rightful ownership of the dog, with accusations of abuse and neglect thrown into the mix. The tension was palpable as each party stood their ground, refusing to back down. As the standoff intensified, law enforcement was called to intervene.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Freaking fabulous.
Yeah. How you doing, sir? All right. Can I see the dog?
Can you go put the dog on the leash and bring her here? Because if they take her, they're taking me.
No, we're taking the dog.
And me.
We're not taking you.
How are you going to get the dog from me if I have a hold of the dog?
You're gonna let go of the dog.
Because he's bringing the dog to me.
Okay, it's not your dog.
And I'm not returning her to an abusive owner.
It's not your dog.
I went to the owner's house. The owner's house, she has a nice house.
So why is she tied up outside, getting beat, left out there for hours in the snow, has an ear infection, possibly parvo, because I took her to the vet because she's puking and shitting everywhere.
Okay, well, I will check out the dog.
Okay, well, I'm on there.
Okay, do you mind if we come in and see it? You mind if we come in and see it?
No, I'll bring her out here. You don't need to come in my house.
Okay. Do you mind if I stand in here where it's not raining on top of it?
Sure, go ahead. You
Thank
can
you.
sit right there. Back up, Belle. Go back up. No, you got it.
We're taking the dog.
Yeah, we're taking the
It's
dog.
up to the warden.
It's a big dog.
No, you see that? Don't give us the dog back. We'll just do it fast.
Yep. I'm gonna grab it.
Don't grab it anyway.
Just give the dog off.
Hey, puppy.
She ain't gonna bite you.
Hey, B.
Come on.
Okay. Was this the collar that was originally on it?
Nope.
Where's that collar at?
In there somewhere, Mom.
Can you get that, please?
Can you see if we still have the collar? Because I probably threw it away.
Hey, puppy.
You can tell they had her chained on the porch.
Okay.
The scene grew even more chaotic as officers attempted to defuse the situation.
All right.
No.
Stop.
No, if you're taking her, you're taking me.
Sir, can you get your wife before she goes to jail?
Guys, I'm probably going to go to jail on
You're
this
choking
video.
the dog.
I don't even have her collar.
Amidst the chaos, attempts were made to retrieve the dog's collar, a small yet significant detail in the heated exchange. But even this simple request turned into a point of contention, with tempers rising and threats exchanged.
You have her collar, sir. First off, don't touch my phone.
Don't touch the phone!
Either give me my phone or we will have an issue.
Whoa!
Don't put your ears on me first off.
Back up.
Don't hit me first off.
Back up.
Hey!
Call me Dad. First off, that's my collar and leash. You ain't going nowhere with my collar and leash. First off.
Resistance persisted, leading to a struggle as individuals were placed in handcuffs and escorted away.
You put me in too!
No, stop.
No!
Stop.
No!
Stop.
She's not going to jail!
Stop.
Back up. Sorry.
She ain't!
Stop. No.
Please,
Let him go. Let him go.
Go inside.
No, he's going too. He's going.
Oh, yeah, I'll go!
You put him on the ground. Right here.
Schizophrenia. Please let his mom get him. Sir, he is schizophrenic. Please let his mom get him. Sir, will you please let his mom get him? You can take me. He's schizophrenic.
Not a 25, just send one more car.
We're secure.
Bro, they already slammed him to the ground.
Here. Yeah.
This is police brutality!
Put it on this first. Okay.
Go ahead, baby. Go on. Go on. Go on.
Go ahead. Come here, puppy. Pup, see? What are you doing? Come here, girl.
Despite efforts to reason and negotiate, the situation reached a boiling point. With emotions running high and tensions mounting, it became clear that there would be consequences for everyone involved.
Teacher! And just fell backwards on the porch.
It is all over dogs.
And I was going to let you guys take me.
Medic's coming. Ma'am.
Okay, I will walk. She told me to go. I will walk. May I ask why you guys are taking him? Sir, I can walk. Can you stop pulling me?
Then
please?
walk.
I am, sir. I have a surgically repaired foot, so I cannot walk her fast. I apologize. Now, would you like me to call her so she'll come to you?
Sit in the car.
Would you like me to call her?
Sit in the car.
Come here, baby. There you go.
I got her. Get in the car.
How do I get in this car?
You sit in the car.
I'm trying. Sir, can you please be nice and help me pull my pants up because they're coming down? I just don't understand what
Hey, will you go check on that lady back there? She's having like a seizure or something.
May I ask why you're taking that dog back to an abusive home?
I can't pull your pants up like this. All right. Sit
May I
in there.
ask a question?
Was this worth it?
I mean,
For a dog?
Sir, literally I said I just want the leash and collar back, and that's what I was going to grab.
No, that's not what happened. I was going to give you all that back.
At first, yes, I did try to stop the dog.
No,
I
you
said-
tried to stop me from getting the dog.
Right, I did. And then I grabbed the dog. But once you guys were off of the slum porch, I was literally just going to unsnap the collar and take the leash and collar. I guess if me trying to protect the dog is me going to jail, then I guess it is what it is. When you have 10 people messaging you, telling you this one abuses a dog, would you let the dog go back?
Well, it's theft if you don't.
And I didn't know that.
That's dogs are property.
I've rescued other dogs and have not went to jail for it.
Oh,
And honestly, if she would have on the phone answered one simple question of what color the collar was and what the phone number was on the collar, so I really knew it was her dog, she could have had that dog. But she couldn't even tell me those two things.
what's your name?
Tiffany?
How are we going to know if he has a medical emergency? How are we going to know what to look up for his medicine?
Well, you clearly won't get his medicine that he needs
We're
tonight.
going to get it.
Well, from where? It's all in the house.
Okay. Well, you guys are going to have to give us permission to go inside and get it, or your mom can go in and get it. I need
asked
it.
you to get it, and you're in here not getting it.
Well, that's not a priority right now.
It is when he's schizophrenic and he has medical
Okay.
health. He has mental health issues that if he don't take his medicine for, he will try to kill himself over.
Okay. Well, he's in handcuffs right now in the back of a cruiser. Ma'am, I need your son's medication.
Oh my gosh, you take. Come on in.
Your dog's put up.
Yeah, they're up.
Is that all of it?
I don't know.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
I would appreciate it if you guys would just let them go.
We'll do what we can. We're taking him to the hospital right now just to get checked out. He's having a panic attack. So.
He has some bad.
Yeah. Okay. We'll be in touch.
Thank you.
Yep. Male's medication.
Sorry, he was taken down.
All right. Come on. I'm gonna go on the left side of this van.
In the aftermath of the confrontation, reflections on the events unfolded. Questions arose about the nature of justice and the lengths people would go to protect what they believed was right. And amidst it all, the fate of the dog remained uncertain, a silent witness to the drama that unfolded in its wake. As the night drew to a close, the echoes of the confrontation lingered, leaving behind a sense of unease and uncertainty in its wake. And in the quiet of the suburban streets, the story of the dog and the dramatic showdown that ensued would be retold for days to come, a cautionary tale of the consequences of standing firm in the face of conflict. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments below.